today's, we're just not going to talk about business, success, or just those things. Trust, it's not built overnight. I'm Dr. Sunita, the founder and the managing director of Lucid Diagnostics and a radiologist. Let's get started. I heard it also in my family when people say, okay, let's get it checked. అనగానే ఏమో ఎందుకులే తగ్గిపోతుంది ఇప్పుడు చెక్ చేపిస్తే ఏమొస్తుందో అనే ఒక భయం. I think it's very common in South Indian people especially.
I feel so sad to see that there is no change in the mindset of people. ఎందుకో health అనేది it's never given importance.
And sometimes you just have to think like not about how much you spend, but if you don't spend, what is the future that you're going to spend a lot? What would be your recommendation? One test
Once a year,
what are the things that you do in a day each that calm yourself?
I love to do temples. So recently I've been to Brihadishwara temple in Tanjavur. And then appudu anukunnanu andaru Egypt ki velli, you look at the pyramids and you say, wow, I would like to say please visit. In our country, we've done such great things.
If you have to give advice to the younger generation, what would be that?
As a woman, you have different phases in life. When you're younger, then you get married, then you have children. I mean, all aspects as women. That single-minded focus is what I feel is very important. Everybody wants quick results. That's one thing I have noticed. Whether it's women or men, quick results will be like quick results.
And also I heard you do some charitable and you have that other side of you that does something for the society as well.
So one of my close friends, she mentioned that there's no ward for children. You feel emotional about any child suffering. Doesn't have to be your own child. So from the time the child steps into our ward, it's like a full end-to-end treatment. So we don't charge anything.
60 plus branches over the 19 plus years of service. What was the starting point? What was the inspiration led you to start this Lucid Diagnostics?
Not too many diagnostic centers in 2006, 2007. Why don't I also think about starting a diagnostic center?